guys, I'm going to make a Jack Skellington Christmas ornament out of things that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up these large plastic Christmas bulbs because it had this nice kind of white silver one in there. And then I picked up this Santa ornament because the hat is pretty cool. I'm going to take the hat off of him and use it for Jack Skellington's Christmas hat. So that's where I'm going with this. And so really the first thing I gotta do is try to get this hat off of here. Which I made some gnomes last year, and I used Santa's beard for their hair or for their beards. So I know that these hats come off. It's just a matter of pulling the hot glue off, because they're all put together with hot glue. Pop that apart. And then, if you want Jack to have a beard, you can put a beard on him. But that is really up to you. I'll look and see what it looks like. I may or may not put this on because it does look like a kind of a fake Santa mall beard, and so that might be kind of cute, but we'll see what it looks like. And we don't need Santa anymore. Okay, so here is our finished Jack Skellington ornament, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. This twine here is actually from the dollar store, or the Dollar Tree too. There is a little In the party section, there is a package of these little felt garland tags, and it comes with this string to put them all together. And so I just used that from a previous dollar store craft that I did, and I just love how he turned out. I love this hat and the the beard that came with it. So that was just a really fun, cool, creepy, cool Christmas craft. Some people don't do traditional Christmas, and this is a great gift for them. Or if you want to use it yourself, you can keep it for yourself. So that was a lot of fun and a fairly quick craft. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!